So the other day, I got an email from this guy named Alan that works for a company called Flashark Racing. They reached out and they asked me if I'd be interested in doing a video review of some of their products. So of course I said yes. That wasn't supposed to happen. So I'm not gonna lie, this is quite the care package that we have here. We'll go with the big one first. It's pretty, not gonna lie. Manifold gasket, with a little fitting here. And we also have some hardware here for installing this header into the rest of an exhaust system. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Let's go. Whoops. Now we're talking. It's got the offset inlet and exit, so it might sound a little different. I'm not gonna lie, this is some legit looking hardware right here. I'm not sure what pieces are gonna go where yet, but we'll figure that part out next. We're also going to need to get a few extra pieces of tubing here just to complete our exhaust system. Big shout out to Alan from Flashark. Thank you for trusting me with all this beautiful hardware. Can't wait to get these things on the cars and see how it all sounds.